Good morning. It's me, Rame. Welcome to our cooking channel. So I come here to buy some tofu in a supermarket. Due to the coronavirus lockdown, I couldn't go to the supermarket to buy some fresh tofu. So I come out to buy some tofu in a supermarket. I'm very much excited because I'm a tofu lover. Let's go to the tofu aisle and then show me. Let me show you the tofu. Okay, seems like somewhere here is the tofu. Okay, this is the tofu aisle. First, let's start with this. This one is Okinawa Brown Sugar Tofu, which is costing you around $1.5 for two tofu. This seems quite good. Let me grab this too. Okay, I think this one is our trolley. I don't know where's my wife. My wife is there. Whoa, she is there. She's there. Yeah. Okay, let's buy some more tofu. And then what about this one? This look quite good also. This one is the dessert tofu. Let me read the ingredients. Okay, everything is eatable, is vegetarian tofu. This one is for like also around $1.5 for two tofu. And then let's see this tofu. This one is the ginger tofu. Okay, that one is the ginger tofu. This one I have no idea. Let me show you some more tofu. And this one is the black jelly, not this one. This one is the silken organic tofu. I don't know. This one is the bean curd for $10. Okay, organic tofu. Let me. This one is bean curd, twin frying pack. This one is for how much? I have no idea. Like 350 ml for one, right? Let's check the ingredient. Everything is like edible, right? 228 for two, not this one. Okay, I think this one is the bean curd frying for around $1. Also buy this one. Let's buy this one also. And then let's find some more tofu because I'm a tofu lover, as you know. Tofu is my weakness. Okay, this one is the ginger. What is this one? Let me just pick up this one and see. I don't want to eat this one, to be honest with you. And what about this one? Bean curd, no need. Bean curd, another, no. Like I want something like more dessert. Organic tofu. Silken. This one is for this soup. Yeah, this one is for making the soup. Organic silken tofu. This one is for. Let's see this one. Bean curd soft. Okay, let me buy this one also. What do you have to say? I have no idea. Like, I think these are enough, right? I bought this one and this one and this one. Yeah, because I'm just going to eat as a dessert, to be honest with you. So this is the tofu which I am buying. To be honest with you, I'm a little bit disappointed. The tofu collection is very limited, as you can see at this aisle. It's very limited. I'm really very much disappointed. I was wondering the collection is going to be good because I'm going to eat the tofu with a spoon because I'm a tofu lover. By the way, there is a conspiracy. Tofu or soybean can decrease the man infertility level. I hope you understand what I mean. I have to say you bye.